I'm not even going to argue this, but gears matter, all right? Let nobody tell you any other thing. Gears matter. But the thing is, we have seen some of the amazing work that some of these people have done, and they were doing it with the available gear at the time, and the available gear at the time are what we have at our disposal now. Yes, gears matters. I am a strong advocate of that. Okay, I preach it every time that you should improve your gear. Sometimes you don't need a new class, okay, on how to get some amazing skin tone. What you need is actually to upgrade your gears that gives you better color accuracy, that gives you better display and all of that and all of that. So but the thing is, with what you have, a lot of the times you can actually do amazing work more than what you actually know right now. So I'm hosting an online class for whoever is interested. Now all you have to do is send a DM, and of course terms and conditions apply. What I'll be showing you is all the tips and tricks that can give you that will help you make very good use of the equipment. I have seen people who upgraded their cameras and upgraded their gears, and yet the work they produce is still the same thing. Okay, so what I'll be showing you guys is basically how to not only improve your work still with the same gears that you're using, but also to work faster and be more efficient, just to get to know your programs and all. Again, just send a DM, and yes, terms and conditions apply. Now I'll just tell you all the things you need to do. Basically, it's a one-on-one class, it's not a general class.